Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best dash cams. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. The Viofo A229 Pro features clear, detailed 4K video during the day, and more crucially, at night. Though no dash cam is perfect, the A229 Pro will give you the best chance of being able to read another car's license plate in the widest variety of conditions. This dash cam features a supercapacitor, which should be more reliable in high temperatures than the lithium-ion batteries found in many dash cameras. It also has 24-hour parking monitoring, voice control, and a 2.4-inch screen for quick access to settings and footage. It's easy to install and use, with an app that offers lots of features, including a GPS map and the ability to trim clips before you save or send them. The A229 Pro is available in 1, 2, and 3-channel versions, and you can also add the interior or rear camera to the 1-channel model at a later time. Number 7 in my list is Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. The Vantrue N4 is an exceptional value, offering a dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rear-view camera. It attaches to the windshield with a suction mount, and its cameras can be adjusted for optimal coverage. The front dash cam records at 2560 by 2160 pixels, but drops to 2560 by 1440 when all 3 cameras are used. The cabin and rear cameras have 1920 by 1080 resolution. The cameras have wide fields of view with minimal distortion, and the cabin camera includes infrared lighting for low light conditions. The N4's integrated screen features a picture-in-picture mode that displays all 3 cameras' feeds simultaneously, along with settings and recording modes. It offers low frame rate and low bit rate recording modes, but we found these can drain the car battery. The device also includes collision and motion detection, automatically saving relevant footage. A 128GB micro SD card holds about 6.7 hours of footage. We picked the Vantrue N4 as our best overall dash cam, mainly because of its value. It's a strong competitor at a great price, with 3 cameras and lots of features, and it came in only slightly behind our top pick in image quality. Video quality was impressive across various light conditions, with good dynamic range and minimal noise reduction. Number 6 in my list is Garmin Drive Dash Cam. Combining a dash cam and a sat-nav, the Garmin Drive Cam 76 is a feature-packed tool for vehicles without an infotainment system. In testing, we found its 7-inch display intuitive to use. It makes Garmin's rich mapping visuals easy to follow, while navigation is clear and well-timed, complemented by live traffic updates when paired with your smartphone's data connection. The unit itself is much larger than many rivals though, which can make it tricky to place without obstructing the driver's view. Helpfully, both the display angle and camera lens are adjustable, so you can find the right position between road and driver. Full HD footage is shot in HDR at 30 FPS, delivering balanced exposure and enough detail to make number plates legible. That said, we found that video suffers from noticeable stabilization wobble. This distortion doesn't reduce the detail, but footage is worse than from other Garmin dash cams. You'll also find better value dash cams if you don't need features such as smartphone notifications and weather updates. But if you want a dash cam with added smarts, this is a great choice. Number 5 in my list is 70 MAI Dash Cam. There's no dash cam quite like the 70 MAI Omni. It's a single camera with a 140-degree field of view and a trick up its sleeve. It can rotate to provide full 360-degree coverage from its position on the windshield. That means you can record your journeys out the front like any other dash cam, or turn it to film inside the cabin of your vehicle. Video resolution tops out at 1080p up to 60 FPS, so footage isn't the most detailed, but we were impressed by the low light performance of the f/1.8 lens in testing. In our review, we found the Omni well designed with a user-friendly experience, complete with fun graphics and animations on the display when you interact with it. It also benefits from AI-powered surveillance features to keep your vehicle safe, such as motion detection and threat level processing. As far as single dash cams go, this is one of the most fun to use. Plus, the list price is reasonable, though you'll need to buy the 4G hardware kit if you want to back up to the cloud automatically. Number 4 in my list is Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam. You can pick up the Miofive S1 Ultra for well under $100/£100. That's impressive when you consider that it's a 4K dash cam equipped with GPS and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for fast data transfers. That's a rare combo at this price point, especially given how impressive we found the quality of its video footage in testing. With sharp detail and admirable noise control in low light, this is the real deal. If there's one thing we'd improve based on our review, it would be the ability to record at 60 FPS, even if just in 1080p Full HD. Sadly, the S1 is capped at 30 FPS, but otherwise, the S1 is hard to fault. It's not the smallest dash cam around, but we found it easy to set up and get going. You also have option to bundle it with Miofive's rear dash cam. 2K and 4K options are availability for full coverage. Considering all of that, we think this is the best 4K dash cam you can get for less than $100/£100. Number 3 in my list is Nextbase 622GoE Dash Cam. With impressive video and flagship features, we think the Nextbase 622GoE has a lot to offer. We found its 4K/30p footage almost cinematic in testing, with crisp definition and outstanding detail. Low light algorithms also improve results in tricky conditions. Drop down to 1080p, and we found that you can shoot 120 FPS slow-mo that makes it easier to pinpoint things like registration numbers. We were impressed with how effectively the built-in polarizing filter reduced windscreen glare too, and how well the digital image stabilization soaked up road vibrations. Our tests did reveal that setup was slightly fiddly, and the 3-inch touchscreen requires obvious swipe inputs. We also had some trouble connecting to our smartphones to transfer video clips. That said, we still think the 622GoE is a simple camera to use overall. We found its interface intuitive, while the display is big, sharp, and clear. Footage is automatically saved when an incident is detected, and thanks to clever three words integration, the 622GoE can pinpoint the location of stricken vehicles and send it on to emergency vehicles. The Nextbase IQ above is even smarter still, but if you want a capable dash cam that reliably captures clear 4K video, the 622GoE is well worth considering. Number 2 in my list is Garmin Dash Cam. If you want a small, simple dash cam to set and forget, we recommend the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. In our tests, its compact design could be easily hidden behind the rear view mirror, while its simple interface made it easy to set up and use. It also captured high-quality Full HD video with HDR. Granted, the same can also be said of the Dash Cam Mini 2, and if you're already an owner of that device, there's not really a case for upgrading. Like the Mini 2, you don't get GPS or a display here. Control is by way of the Garmin Drive app, which works well for changing settings and reviewing saved footage. What's new is a landscape design, as well as a built-in polarizing filter. The latter is designed to reduce windshield reflections, although to our eyes, our review footage looked pretty similar to video from the Mini 3. Still, if you're buying your first dash cam or looking for a smaller one, the Dash Cam Mini 3 gets all the right things right. Number 1 in my list is Nextbase IQ 1K Smart HD Dash Cam, a smart surveillance camera for your car. The Nextbase IQ is as feature-packed as dash cams come. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, it's a premium solution with a suite of connected skills. That includes parking assistance, a voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to check in on your vehicle via the Nextbase IQ app, as well as GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All 3 versions include an interior camera, and there's an optional rear-facing unit. You will need a paid subscription to get the full benefit of its abilities, which means the IQ can quickly become a costly bit of kit. But our tests found that it's also an impressive one. Setup proved simple in our review, while the app made it easy to access its many features. Footage and audio from our 4K review unit was predictably excellent too. Because power is delivered directly from the car's battery, the system remains active even when the engine's off. It will be overkill for many road users. But if you want a complete, all-in-one camera to monitor your car at all times, the Nextbase iKey is as clever as they come. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.